right, friends, today we have a lesson on Frank Forrest's In the Room, man. What a song, a powerful song, a great way to connect and share Jesus. All right. Listen, today's lesson is gonna be very simple. We're gonna keep it beginner, but I do want to open up some things, give you some ideas. I want to teach you the progression. All right, teach you some chords. We're gonna learn chords and how to play them in multiple places. We're gonna play different places on the neck. I want to start off beginner, so we're gonna start with open chords. You can play this song pretty much all the way through with just open chords. So if you're on acoustic, it doesn't matter. Electric, it doesn't matter. We're gonna learn how to play this song. Stay tuned. We're gonna play along with it. It's good for you to play along with it. That way you understand the groove, understand the dynamics, and all the tones we're chasing after and everything. Man, I've really been loving this guy, Forrest Frank, and the music that he's been making, man. It's just excited about this lesson, okay? Listen, do me a favor, all right? Listen, it's I think it was like 58% of the people who are watching, viewing these videos, these lessons, are not subscribed. Subscribing really helps this channel, okay? And then listen, I need your participation and your comments. Let me know, do you have any requests? Where are you at? Are you struggling with particular songs or particular parts? Do you want to know more about music theory? I need your feedback. Hop in the comments. I want to make this channel good for the audience, and that's you. And I want it to be specifically for you. I want it to minister to you, and I want it to help you. I'm just trying to share the little bit that I know and hope that I can help somebody become a better player, become a better instrument for Jesus Christ, okay? All right, so here we have this song. I'm going to say is in the key of A, okay? It's in the key of A. We're going to start off with open chords, okay? Start off with open chords. Our first chord will be F sharp minor. I like to use that whammy, especially when it's starting off slow. That sounds good. Oh, that sounds good. Our next chord will be a D major. All right, that's easy. Open chords, cowboy chords. You don't have to hang that thumb over, but that's a D major, okay? Next we'll have an A major. I'm just gonna bar from this D string down. It's an A major. And then we're gonna wrap it up with E major. Whew. That is just beautiful, and it's easy. How about this? Look, I really don't even have to move my fingers that much. I got, that's my F sharp minor. I can just add this ring finger on right and play that bottom half. Let go. And then I have to move a little bit to come here. Once again, that's and that's the verse. Okay, so the verse is again. And if you want to strum that a little bit, now at the beginning of the song, I wouldn't strum. I would just maybe some arpeggio. I like shaking that thing a little bit. All right, and then now when it comes to the end of that chorus, you're gonna hear a B minor. Specifically, we're gonna play a B minor 7. So it's gonna go. Okay. So, in context, you'll have A, or excuse me. His name is Jesus, and he's in. Or so, with chords, let's learn chords more on this neck. Okay, so we got F sharp. Okay, here's the F sharp. The F sharp minor 7. That's the F sharp minor. It's the F sharp minor 7 when you take the pinky off, and then you can play with some. So, and we got another F sharp right here. All right, then our next chord is D, so we got a D here. We got a D here. We got a D here. Here's a D again. If you want to come up here, okay? Our next chord is A. We got an A here. Here. Another A here. All right. What's next? B minor. So we got a B minor here. We got B minor here. So I'm gonna play it like this. It's right here. The same. Oh, E. So, and there's a place in here, we'll get to it when we're playing along, where we're actually gonna play a E minor and not actual E major, but this is an E major. Excuse me, let me follow the lineup. Here's the E major here. E major here. E major again here. Same as that one. So now we got some options. We can play this song in different places on the neck and kind of get some different sounds, okay? If you can only play up here in open chords, that's absolutely fine, all right? But as you grow, as you get better, and you can even move up the neck on acoustic. Don't let anyone fool you into thinking you have to stay up here in these first 3 frets. You can move up on acoustic. So if we're gonna play, let's see how it sounds here. Once again, that's my F sharp minor. Actually minor 7. That's a whole minor. And then we have D major. But really, one thing we can do, because we're already right here, we can actually go D major here. Right? Or like this. Same thing. This one of them's just got a little bit more thickness to it. All right. Then we have our A major. But since we're already down here, we can go. And then hit our E major. Woo. So all together in that area we got. Woo. Woo. Let's change it up. Let's go here. To this D right here. Let's play this A. And then let's go to this E here. We're mixing it up. Let's go here. What's next? My A. How about that? And see, it's good to be able to play in different places. All right. All right. Now, if you want to play some lead on top of it, we can come from the F sharp minor. The F sharp minor scale, minor pentatonic scale, is gonna sound perfect on top of this song. And you can kind of play around and do your own things. I'm gonna show you some scales, show you some notes. You can kind of come up with your own licks based off of the scale. Okay. Be original. There's nothing wrong with that. So here's the F sharp minor scale. Now, but we want to make it musical, so you can just do little things like slide in and out. You can do little things like extend it. We got a little double stop we can do right there. How about that? Then you have the scale again right here. You can also play A major scale. All right, so y'all ready to play along with the song? I might pause it a couple of times just to explain some of the changes and everything, but we're gonna play along with it. And you guys, if you have any questions, just put it down in the comments, okay? All right, so we've learned the basics of the song. All right, we're gonna play along with it. There's gonna be a couple of curveballs. We'll get through it, okay? Y'all bear with me. All right, let's play along. We're gonna start off on that F sharp minor, right here, and D major, A, hold it. Hold it, D minor. All right. Let's start playing it up on the neck, okay? On this F sharp, here we go. This part's gonna change up a little bit. What we have is an A major and then an E minor, D major, B minor. Let's play it. E minor, D major, B minor. Listen, I hope this lesson has been a blessing to you. If you want to learn more, you need something specific, hop in the comments, let me know. I would love to hear from you, okay? Thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for being a part of PJ Guitar. God bless you. Take care.